Hello friends, in this video we will learn about what is adapter class. Hello friends, in this video we will study about the adapter classes and see its implementation in Java. So what is adapter class? Java provides a special features called an adapter class. It can simplify the creation of event handler in certain situation. Adapter class provides an empty implementation of all methods in an event listener interface. Adapter class are useful when you want to receive and process only some of the events that are handled by a particular event listener interface. You can define a new class to act as an event listener by extending one of the adapter classes and implementing only those events in which you are interested. So for example, the mouse motion adapter class has two methods, mouse dragged and mouse moved, which are the method defined by the mouse motion listener interface. And if you were interested in only mouse drag event, then you could simply extend mouse motion adapter and override the mouse drag. The empty implementation of mouse moved would handle the mouse motion event for you. Now in the following program, what is happening is that it displays the message in the status bar of an applet viewer or browser when mouse is clicked or dragged. However, all other mouse events are silently ignored. The program has three classes. Adapter demo extends applet. Its init method, as you can see in the following program, has the instance of my mouse adapter and registers that the object to receive notification of mouse events. It also creates an instance of my mouse motion adapter and registers that the object to receive notification of mouse motion events. Both of the constructors takes a reference to the applet as an argument. Now in the class my mouse adapter extends the mouse adapter and overrides the mouse clicked method, as you can see. Now the other mouse events are silently ignored by the code inherited from the mouse adapter class. And in my mouse motion adapter, which extends the mouse motion adapter and overrides the mouse drag method, the other mouse motion event is silently ignored by the code inherited from the mouse motion adapter class. Now note that both of the event listener class saves a reference to the applet. This information is provided as an argument to the constructor and is used later to invoke the show status method. So to check the validity of this following program, simply open CMD and go to the location where directly where your environment variable has been saved. Now to compile your code, simply type javac adapter demo.java. As you can see, this program successfully compiles. Now to see the applet viewer of this following program, simply type viewer adapter demo.html. Sorry for this little bit inconvenience, sometimes it happens. As you can see, this applet successfully opens, and when I drag this mouse, it will display the status mouse dragged, and when I simply clicked, it will say the mouse is clicked. Here you can see this program demonstrates the successful implementation of the adapter class. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, kindly like, subscribe and share our channel to learn more about Java.